Alright guys, on this episode we're going to tear this 5th gen all the way down, take the head off, pan, windage tray. We're going to see if we can get the cam lobe, the cam bearing off one of the cam lobes, slide the rest of this cam shaft out. It should be fine, should be great. I love my job. Guys, these tools right here hold up the lifters off the cam. It is going against every single thing I know to open these things up and let the lifters just drop. It's not something that you're supposed to be doing. You're supposed to do everything you can to make sure that these stay up, because it turns into a nightmare. It's not going to be a nightmare because I have to take the pan off anyways, but it's going against everything, like, you know, don't stick a fork in an electrical socket kind of thing. But we're just gonna, oh god, that was a terrible noise. Oh Jesus. Well, that one's sitting on the cam, so we're going to go ahead and rip the rest of those off. This harness needs to come off right here. I got to take all these bridges off, and then take the drainage tube for the turbo, the coolant tube for the turbo, knock sensor, stuff like that. And I'm just going to take the whole head off with the turbo and everything still attached to it. If I was about 10 years younger, I would just grab the head, pull it off. It's not that heavy. It's like, I don't know. but my everything hurts. So I'm not doing it. I'm not just going to grab it, pull it off as much as I want to, just to show that I can still do it. I'm not going to. It's not that bad. It's just nuts and bolts, guys. There's nothing else to it. Alright, so that's the cam right there. You know, guys, it's really hard to show you stuff when it's, you know, just tucked in behind everything. But that lobe right there, right above that journey, right there. Other than that, I'd say that's messed up. That is gone. Alright. There's the cam bearing right there. You know what? Why do tigers have false eyes? Like, what's out there hunting tigers? I don't know, bears don't have them. I think I could take a bear. Like a Florida bear. Not like a Kodiak or something, but like a small Florida bear. I think I could take one of those. No way a tiger. But why do tigers have false eyes? Little white dots on the back of their ears. I don't know. I don't know. But, so that's not moving. See, it's just, ain't no way to get it in or out. Alright guys, that's it for the teardown lesson. If you actually stayed and watched the whole thing, it's like 10 minutes long. Well, you would know that if you stayed and watched the whole thing. I appreciate it. Like, subscribe. After this, once we get the engine, we're going to throw the engine in. That's going to be part 3. The Ram Charger, we're moving along on that one. Just, you know, my wallet's not very fat, so, you know, got to do a little filler stuff like that. But other than that, thank you guys for watching. See you guys on the next one.